Are you a hairstylist dreaming of owning your own salon suite, but feeling really overwhelmed by the process? Maybe you're worried about making costly mistakes or not even knowing where to start or begin. Well, don't stress, because in this video, I'm gonna walk you through 8 essential tips for opening a profitable salon suite. We'll cover everything from defining your vision and creating a salon suite startup guide to setting up a high traffic location, building a standout client experience, and launching a successful salon suite business. Stick with me and you'll walk away with actionable steps to set yourself up for success behind the chair. Oh, and make sure to download my free salon suite master checklist in the description below. It's packed with everything you need to launch your dream salon suite. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Megan, and I've been in the hair industry for almost 15 years. I have helped countless suite stylists, booth rent hairstylists, and commission stylists transitioning from feeling stuck behind the chair to creating a thriving, profitable business. If I can do it, you can too. And I'm here to show you how. Opening your own salon suite is a dream. But if not planned properly, your dream can become your worst nightmare. I want to make sure you are opening a profitable salon from day one, and it starts with a salon business plan. Let's start with step 1, and honestly, this is simply just evaluating if you are even ready. Transitioning into a salon suite is a big step. Do not take this lightly. Start by asking yourself, am I financially prepared for the startup costs and ongoing costs? Do I have a consistent clientele base, or am I ready to work hard to build one? Can I handle the responsibility of running every aspect of my business, from marketing to bookkeeping to cleaning every single week? Transitioning to a salon suite requires strategic planning, time management, and a strong vision for your brand. It's okay to wait until you're truly ready to make this leap. Before I get into step number 2, if you are struggling putting your salon suite business plan together or don't know where to start, this is exactly the work I do. I would love to speak with you. You can book a complimentary consultation call at the link below this video. I would love to connect with you and speak with you. Step number 2 is defining your vision and your brand. This is so exciting. Your brand is your business fingerprint, so make it unique. What kind of stylist do you want to be? Who is your ideal client? What vibe do you want your suite to have? Your branding isn't just about your logos and colors. It's about creating a consistent experience for your clients. For example, if your target audience is young professionals, opt for a sleek, neutral decor rather than a bold or trendy style. Write down exactly what you envision for your salon suite setup. The number of chairs, it could be 1 or 2, color scheme, and every layout. Every single detail matters because consistency builds trust and client loyalty. Pinterest will be your best friend. Step number 3 is financial planning. This may not be the most fun part of opening your salon suite, but finances are one of the most important factors in opening up a successful salon suite business. When planning your finances, break them into 2 different categories. So category 1 is the startup costs. This is going to be things like your rent, your deposit, furniture, decor like chairs, mirrors, shelving, and more. You will have equipment like color trays, dryers, styling tools, and more. You will have inventory such as shampoos, conditioners, retail park products, and you will also have to have your marketing like website, business cards, and social media ads. The second category of your finances is your operating expenses, or essentially your ongoing monthly expenses, which will consist of rent, utilities, booking software, inventory restocking, product, credit card fees, accounting, and much more. Once you think of all of your monthly costs, you must create and stick to a budget. This is where I see the most mistakes made, and unfortunately is the most crucial part. You must create a business plan and a pro forma. If you are not familiar with a pro forma, this is an operating budget that goes over all of your startup costs, operating expenses, and helps you project revenue. Doing a pro forma budget will ensure you get down all of the salon's startup costs on paper. This is huge. Get that on paper. A strong financial plan combined with the right salon online booking system can streamline your operations and improve profitability. You will want to understand what numbers you need to be shooting for. so that you make sure that you are making a profit and not just breaking even. That is why you're opening a salon suite, right? There is no quicker way to burn out than losing money every single month. I highly advise you use tools like QuickBooks or Square to track your income and expenses. When creating your budget, I would account for losing between 10 to 20% of your current clientele just to be safe. In my experience, this is common when transitioning to a new space. I always suggest paying cash for all of this and not taking out any debt, but if you have to, look for a local credit union or maybe ask a family member to borrow some money. Always plan conservatively and avoid overborrowing to minimize your debt. Debt is going to be a wealth killer and can cause you to make poor decisions when you're feeling stressed. Again, if you want a free workbook that goes over all of this, use the link in the description and I will send you your free copy today. Step number 4 is choosing the perfect location. Location is such a huge part of your salon business plan. Have you heard the saying in real estate, location is everything? Well, guess what? The same is going to apply to your salon suite. Look at other salons and salon suites in the area. What services do they offer? What are their price points? Who are their clients? By understanding their strengths and weaknesses, you can find ways to make your salon suite really stand out, whether it's through the unique services that you're going to offer, better pricing, or more appealing to that client experience. You're going to want to research the local community. Who lives in that area? What's their average income level? What's the age range? Check if there's a demand for the services you plan to offer, like hair extensions or any other luxury treatments. Ask yourself, are there enough clients in your target age or income level group? You would be shocked at how some do not even consider this. Do your services align with the needs of the community? By understanding the competition and your potential clients, you'll choose a location where your suite can thrive. Market research helps you avoid opening in an oversaturated area or one that doesn't even match your ideal clientele. A few other items to think about when determining your salon suite location. Let's start with accessibility. Ensure the location is convenient with proximity to major roads and easy entry exit. Next is going to be the neighborhood fit. Choose a location in the neighborhood aligned with your target clientele. Also, think about foot traffic and visibility. Look for high traffic areas, especially along main roads with storefront visibility. Do not forget about parking. I cannot stress this enough. This is so huge. Make sure there is ample parking or nearby options which are essential for client convenience. The last thing a client wants to do is have to struggle for parking for their service. You must think about proximity to existing clients. Consider staying within close range of your current clients if you are going to be relocating. Think about all of these factors that will make your clients happy, which will, in the end, your salon client retention is going to help your business and your business growth. To sum this up, choosing the right location not only improves your visibility, but it also enhances salon customer service and overall client retention. Let's move on to step number 5. Establishing your salon suite business. You are a real business, so make sure to treat yourself like one. Let's decide on your salon suite name. This is so exciting, and this is very important for your branding and marketing as well. Choose a name that aligns with your brand, your vision, and your target market. This is a little pro tip, but make sure to check the name and the availability to avoid any legal issues with trademarks or any other businesses. Now let's register your business. Choose your legal structure. Decide what's best for you. If you want a sole proprietorship, LLC, or an S Corp, based on the liability protection and tax implication. Consider consulting with a CPA or an attorney to make the best informed choice for you. Register with your state and complete any required paperwork to officially register your business, especially if you're operating under a trade name. Once you have the state paperwork completed, register for your federal employee identification number, also known as the EIN. Obtain an EIN from the IRS if you plan to hire employees or operate as an LLC or corporation. This is free, just do it. You want to make sure you file for any permits and licenses. This will vary from city to city and state to state, obviously. You will need the following documentation. Salon business license. This is required in most cities and states to operate your salon. Next will be your cosmetology license, which will ensure that your own license and any other staff licenses are valid and up to date. It is very important that you keep a professional documentation handy, and if there are any display requirements, make sure to do what is required. Some states require you to display your license prominently within the salon. Do a little research for your state and city. Lastly, make sure to open your business bank accounts for your new suite. Why do you want to do this? You must keep personal and business finances separate by opening a dedicated business bank account. There are a ton of benefits of doing this. It just ensures that your bookkeeping is done accurately and you won't have to play the guessing game between a personal expense and a business expense. Separating your accounts helps establish business credit, which can be beneficial for loans or any credit cards for your salon suite. Before we move on, I'd love to hear from you though. What is the one thing that's holding you back or feels the most overwhelming for you about opening a suite? Drop a comment and I will personally read and respond to help you tackle it. Now let's jump into step number 6. Once you've secured your salon suite, it's time to transform into a functional, inviting, and efficient workspace that reflects your brand while providing an exceptional client experience. This is the most exciting part, so really think about this and use your imagination. Start by planning your layout carefully. Think about your workflow efficiency, ensuring styling chairs, mirrors, and workstations are positioned to allow smooth movement and easy access for tools and supplies. Factor in client comfort by including a designated area for belongings and seating while using vertical space with shelves or wall-mounted storage to keep your suite organized and clutter-free. Tools like online room planners can help you visualize the best arrangement. Investing in high-quality furniture is crucial. Choose a comfortable adjusting styling chair and a large well-lit mirror that enhances the client's view. Workstation with a storage, a backup bar setup for shampoos and products, and additional seating for guest waitings are all a must-have. Your furniture should balance durability with aesthetics, aligning with your brand while ensuring comfort for you and your clients. Similarly, your tools and equipment should be professional grade, including styling tools like blow dryers and flat irons, curling irons, a portable or built-in shampoo system, and sanitation supplies like barbicide. Stocking your suite with the right supplies is equally important. This includes backbar products, color supplies, capes, towels, and any sanitation essentials. If you plan to sell retail products, select items that align with your brand and meet clients' needs. Creating a budget and purchasing in bulk for frequently used items can help you save money while ensuring you're fully prepared. Your decor should reflect your brand while creating a welcoming environment. Choose lighting that balances bright and flattering tones and styling areas with softer lighting and ambiance. Add touches like throw pillows, plants, or artwork to make the space feel inviting and cohesive. Organized storage solutions such as clear bins, labeled drawers, and wall-mounted organizers keep your suite looking professional and ensure efficiency during services. Incorporating technology will streamline your operations and enhance the client experience. Set up a POS system for payments, using booking software for scheduling, and providing Wi-Fi for clients. Bluetooth speakers or sound systems can add ambiance and with background music, creating a polished, modern atmosphere. Finally, prioritize sanitation and safety to maintain client trust and comply with your state board regulations. Regularly cleaning routines, proper tool storage, and personal protective equipment like gloves and hand sanitizers are non-negotiables. Thoughtful client-friendly features such as a beverage station, hooks for personal items like your purses, and phone chargers will further enhance the experience. With careful planning and execution, your salon suite will be beautifully designed, fully functional space, and ready to support your success. Client satisfaction and strategic planning, you'll build a salon suite that runs seamless and earns client loyalty for years to come. There is so much more to go through, but hopefully this helps you get started putting some actionable steps in place today to start planning your dream salon suite. If you are ready to dive even deeper, like I said, book a complimentary consultation call at the link below this video, and I would love to guide you on planning your dream salon suite and much, much more. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support means the world to us and gives us the encouragement to continue to make videos just like these.